Tobias, thanks very much for joining us. ESG has been an increasingly important part of the focus over the last 12 months, particularly during the pandemic. How is that integrated in terms of GARBE, in terms of the corporate side, in terms of your identity, but also into the project management and development side?
Yes, as you said, ESG is very important, not only for also for us, of course. And when we look at investment opportunities, our digital investment check system also includes ESG parameters. And for example, if the property we are looking at is not fitted for a very strict ESG type of fund, then we are maybe it's suitable for another type. And if it's not even suitable for any of them, we say, okay, we don't want to invest in it because it's not within our ESG scope, or we don't think it will be. So we don't want to buy any distressed properties, of course, or stranded assets, as you call it. And in terms for our project development, there are two different approaches. Because we say you don't need to buy a new property every time a user needs space. Because every time you build something new, you are generating lots of carbon dioxide. So maximizing the life cycle of already existing property is a very good thing. But often you have to build up a new. So we developed a new prototype for GARBE logistics centers. Not only optimized for ESG, but also for well-being of the people working within the property. And we are looking how does the surrounding area, the community is participating, or even they are generating for each other synergies, of course, because every time land is consumed, the communities, of course, they're saying, okay, soil sealing is a very big issue in Germany, and I think in other countries as well. So we say, if land is sealed, what can it do for the surrounding? How can the walls, the outfitting be green, or is using of wood a possibility? And therefore, we have built up a prototype which is checking everything which is possible at a certain location.
So does that mean, Tobias, that there's much more of a focus now on what would traditionally have been called social impact in terms of GARBE?
Well, the social impact is part of ESG. So yes, it's all of the three letters we are focused on ESG, and it's not only green by choice, but responsible by choice. So we are looking at each of the letters, and we are very we don't take it on the light shoulders. We take it very seriously. So this is it's part of the GARBE's DNA, if you say so.
Great. Really interesting to catch up. Thanks very much for joining us, Tobias.
Yeah, thank you very much. Always a pleasure.